Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create new disk partition in Windows 11. So for the first, and search here to create and format hard disk partition. After that, click on to mouse left side, click on, and then next, and you can easily size in MB and click on next, and type here your rename. Next, and then finally click on to finish, and now create. So go back, now I'm checking. So look here, the new disk partition created successfully. So that's it. So that's how you can do it.